trying to get, hold on, trying to get all this stuff together. Yeah, so I'm on a 3-week vacation from work, right? And I got bored, and so I planned a trip to LA for no reason. But I get to go see my friend Kyle. He lives in LA now, or Glendale. He bougie. He lives in Glendale. But right now, yeah, I'm at the airport. I know that's a weird start to this video, but that's what's popping right now. Okay, got my Baby Yoda shirt, got my backpack, got my Switch. Okay, I pretty much just packed the essentials. Couple pairs of underwear and my Switch. That's about it. And my camera. That's the essentials. So let me fix my going to Dallas first. I don't know if you guys know, but it's Strictly Dumpling on YouTube. I was watching him, right? Mike Chen. He was going to all these ramen places and like Asian food places in LA, and I love Asian food. So that's all I'm going for, really. But right now I'm just starting with a sandwich, a ham and cheese sandwich. They gave me pickles for some reason. Let me show you. That's what my food journey is starting off with. I'm gonna get some better food than this, I promise. But I mean, this boy about to be fire, okay? Sandwich about to slap. It don't make sense to stand in line when they call you for boarding. Especially not for me, because I know I'm the last one.
Continue with zone 3, spare place for
He does zone 3, that means I still ain't getting up. I'm not standing in that line with all the people. Don't y'all know about coronavirus? I'm not standing in that line. Where you at, though? Come here.
I'm not letting you see me.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No. For you to start the flow of oxygen, you must remove your face covering prior to putting the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic band around your head and tighten by pulling on the end.
I've never been to Texas before, but I'm here now. And I mean, it's just the airport, but I guess I'm here. They say this is Dallas. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at my GPS, look at my little dot on the thing, see if I'm really in Dallas. But I was asleep on the plane, so they could have taken me to I don't know, Toronto or something. I don't know. I don't even got a passport, so I don't know how that would work. But see, they tried to get your boy because this next flight starts boarding at 10:25. They let me off the plane at 10:17. Okay, so they're trying to get your boy, trying to hold me up. I wonder if I tried to get something to eat inside this airport if I'm gonna be late for my flight. I smell food, and that's what I'm here for on this trip, is food. So I'm gonna walk around real quick until I hear them saying time to board, because you're gonna get left. That's what they're gonna say on the thing. Time to board or you're gonna get left. That's what they said last time, at least. I promise you, that's what I heard. Alright, so I got off the plane and I finally found my way. I was walking around for forever trying to find my way around this airport. I'm at LAX. This is cool. I'm actually walking out right now. Let's see. Look at that. I'm actually in LA. That's crazy. Hey, I'm gonna hit you up once I get to my hotel. I'm trying to find out how to get to an Uber or something. Yeah, man, I don't think you can give me a ride right now. No, I think I'm gonna just find an Uber. Yeah, no, I'm gonna just get an Uber. Alright, I've been looking for my Uber for the last 30 minutes, and then this fool said it said ride canceled. So now that was supposed to be Carlos. I've been waiting for Carlos for the last 30 minutes. So now I'm looking for Diogo. I don't know how to say his name. It said D-I-O-G-O, Diogo. So we're gonna see what Diogo is talking about.
Your name, Black?
Yep. How you doing? right, I'm in LA. That's my Uber, thank you. And this is the hotel I'm staying at. The Freeland. Yep, the Freeland. The Freehand. The Freehand? The Freeland? I don't know. Let's check it out. This place look haunted. Okay, I'm just be honest. Okay, it looks haunted. Look like two little girls about to pop up there and tell me something. We want to play. I don't want to play with y'all. I don't like y'all game. I like to play my own game. I don't like your game. Little boy with a little bike at the end. Nah, bro. I'm good on that. This place is pretty nice in here. It's a Thai food restaurant. I got me a menu. Okay. I'm about to look at some stuff. I want to get something spicy. So I'm thinking about maybe the tom kha soup. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Whatever. Or the tom yum. Or the tom yum. However you say it. I want that maybe too. I don't know. I just want a lot of stuff. I also want to try the curries. I'm gonna have to come back here before I leave. Before I go back home. That looks good. They got sizzling Thai barbecue pork rib. That looks good. Wok fried noodle. Those all look good. Everything over rice looks good. I want to try the roasted duck over rice, honestly. I've been traveling all day. Okay. Right now it's like late afternoon at home, but it's like the middle of the day here. So like my whole I got my dinner belly going. All right, I got my dinner stomach on, and they talking about some lunch. Okay.
What can I get for you, sir?
May I have the roasted duck over rice? Is there any way to make that spicy? The pad thai?
Sure.
But no peanut dumpling?
Chicken or vegetable?
Chicken, please. The curry noodle?
Curry noodle?
Yep.
How spicy would you like?
You can make it really spicy. Do you got a chance to have boba tea?
We don't have a boba.
No?
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Hi, pick up? Yes. May I see order, please? Can you show me, please? Thank you.
I'll have one of those.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. I'll probably be back. Morning. It's time to eat some stuff today. Good morning. So last night I was feeling terrible. So y'all saw me get the one food. I went to the Thai restaurant and I got some. They had amazing food there. I ended up getting sick to my stomach, not because of the Thai food, because that food, even though I was sick, still tasted amazing. What I did eat of it, but I think it was that that sandwich that I had from the airport at home, the first plane I got on. You know that ham and cheese sandwich that I had? Yeah, I think it was that made me sick. And I threw up 3 times. I threw up twice in like random trash cans along the street. I think I'm on 8th Street. Yeah, 8th Street. I threw up in 2 trash cans. No, in the same trash can twice. That trash can got some special treatment. And then once in the bathroom in my room. So yeah, it wasn't a good night. But we're about to make up for it today, okay? We got a full day today, just to go around and eat some stuff. Now, before I came back to the hotel, because I walked down to the to CVS down there to get some Pepto-Bismol. And I'm telling you, my stomach was hurting. Pepto-Bismol, not Verner's. They got Verner's out here. Some ginger ale, Pepto-Bismol, and some chips. I got some plain Lay's and some salt and vinegar. And then on my way back, I saw right over here, right in front of my hotel. It was like right over there last night. It was a taco truck, and even though my stomach was hurting, I still want to eat a couple tacos. So I got them, and they were some of the best tacos ever. I forgot that people in California are obsessed with avocado. I took the avocado off, but other than that, it was real good. So today we're gonna find some other food trucks because I saw a bunch of them around here. It is 9 a.m. here, so that means it's like 12 p.m. in Michigan, and so I'm up. I'm up. I was up at like 3 a.m. because I'm so used to being up at around 6 or 7 a.m. at home. So yeah, I was up, and I was just watching YouTube videos, laying in bed, and then I fell back asleep because it was real quiet and dark and boring, and I wasn't gonna come out here and walk around at like 3 in the morning. So that wouldn't be smart, especially in like a different city. I don't know, might end up getting robbed in LA or something. Listen, you try to rob me, you're gonna get these hands. All right, you might get me, you might get my money, you also gonna get these hands. But anyway, long story short, walk around looking to see what might be open right now. I'm just walking. Oh, it smells like somebody went to the bath. Yo, listen, let me give you probably an unpopular opinion, and I don't care what you all think of me. LA is overrated to me. It really is. Oh, this looks like a nice place. Never had burgers for breakfast, but let me see. Are they open? Hey, are you guys open yet? Got a nice menu. Do you guys only have breakfast right now, or you have everything?
No, good.
You got everything? Okay. Say that again, sir.
Onion and cilantro?
Yep, onion cilantro. You put pico on it?
I just tried the tomato.
No tomato.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. You put onion and cilantro.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you. Yo, this is dope. I like this. I wonder if I could sit out there at those little tables, because if I can, I will. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, down to my last taco, and then I'm gonna keep walking this way. Like, I didn't even mean to stop at this place, but I mean, I was hungry and I was looking for food, so I guess, you know, God don't miss. So the tacos are real good. I only got onions and cilantro. Sorry, I had to burp. And some of their spicy salsa. That's about it. If I get hungry later, I'll definitely come and try some of the other tacos. These are real good. I know that show. All right, so right now I'm just walking around. Like, I don't really got much to do at all. I don't know. I might get something else to eat though. How am I doing at this whole vlogging thing? Okay, like, this is new to me. I'm used to sitting down and at my computer chair, playing my games, talking to y'all on the computer, not walking around talking and stuff. I mean, it's kind of weird for me, especially when I walk past people and I'm talking to a camera. But I'm pretty sure everybody knows what a freaking vlog is by now, and know that people do this. But it still makes me feel weird. I don't know. If you're a vlogger, let me know. Give me some tips. I don't know. I'm just doing this for fun. I might post this. I might not. No matter what, though, I'm gonna have some good footage of my whole vacation, so I can show my kids eventually something that I did. Other than that, I'm vibing. There's some interesting people in LA. This one man just tried to ask me to hang out with him and his friend. Hey, no, I ain't hanging out with you. I know that game. I know what's up with that. I know what time it is. I gotta get better at the angle. Yeah, like that, like holding it like that. Cause I keep doing like this. I keep slouching. I mean, I could do like this all I want, but then the lighting is kind of bad. It ain't on me. You can't see me. Okay. Now, like I was saying, I just talked to my boy Kyle. He lives here. He just moved here a while ago, maybe a couple months ago. Yeah, a couple months ago, and he loves it. I told him, I said, listen, this is definitely unpopular opinion, but LA ain't nothing. But he says, because I'm downtown LA is really not that great. I gotta go somewhere else, but ain't all the LA downtown, like, I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong. I never been to California. It's my first time in Cali. So, I don't know. But as of right now, I'm not impressed by anything really. Oh, let me go down this street. Look at this. Hold on. Look like a theater district or something. I don't know. It's nice though. It says fashion. Hold on, if I read the signs. Oh, let me stop right there. It says fashion district. Okay. All right. That's what's up. Reading is fundamental. Oh, they got some nice clothes in this store right here. Okay. If I brought a suitcase, I would've stopped to take some stuff back, but I brought my little bag. Look, this is what I brought, okay? I brought some underwear, socks, and my Nintendo Switch, okay? That's what I brought. I ain't got much of anything else, honestly. I'm just having fun. I'm ready to eat something else.